In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Google Docs eSignature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a document for signature and make sure gentle automatic reminders go out so your signer doesn't miss a thing. First, open your document, head to Google Drive, find the contract or form you want signed, and open it in Google Docs. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right file and that the content is final. It's always easier to send a polished version than to make changes after a request is in progress, and it helps avoid confusion for your signer. Next, start the eSignature request. At the top of your document, click Insert, then choose eSignature and select Request eSignature. This action prepares your document for sending and opens the workflow you'll use to set up the signing details. If this is your first time, don't worry. Everything is guided and straightforward. Now add your signer. Enter the signer's email address carefully. Typos are the most common reason requests bounce back. Then assign the signature and date fields. Place them exactly where you want the signer to act, such as on the signature line and next to the date. Clear placement means the signer knows what to do the moment they open your document, which speeds up the process and reduces back and forth. When you're confident everything is in the right spot, click Next to continue. Before you send, set your reminder schedule. Look for reminder settings. You can choose to send automatic reminders, for example, every 3 days, which is a good default to keep things moving without overwhelming the recipient. If your timeline is more specific, set a custom schedule that matches your deadline and the urgency of your agreement. A thoughtful cadence keeps your request top of mind while staying professional. If you expect a quick turnaround, choose a shorter interval. If the signer needs time to review, give them some breathing room. When your reminder preference is set, click Send Request. From here, the system takes care of the nudging for you. Google will automatically remind the signer until they complete the signature, helping you close the loop without constant manual follow-ups. You can focus on your work while the reminders quietly do their job in the background. That's it. You opened your document, started the eSignature request, added your signer and fields, set your reminder schedule, and sent it off with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.